Raj. We are proud students from SK Dua Simpang Lima Klang. Imagine standing in water that is rising around your feet with no clear way out. That feeling of uncertainty is what we are inspired our journey and innovations today. Our innovation is called Flood Safe Navigator. When heavy rain falls, everything changes. Roads disappear, homes flood, and people do not know where to go. Which road is safe? And sometimes help comes too late.
Flooding is one of the most common natural disasters in this world.
It happens due to heavy rainfall, poor drainage, and climate change. Flood water can also be contaminated and dangerous.
Our problem is this.
There is no system that clearly shows safe routes during flood. So, we created a solution. Flood Safe Navigator
A smart system that detects floods earlier.
and guides people safely. Water sensors detect rising water levels.
The Arduino system processes the data.
It decides which route is safe or flooded. The LCD display shows real-time updates.
The LED guides safe paths.
The buzzer warns people immediately.
We tested our system by simulating heavy rain.
Mode 1 was flooded, and it was marked unsafe. Then Route 2 flooded.
And finally, Route 3.
The system updated instantly,
Guiding people to safety.
Now, let us see how Flood Safe Navigator works during a sudden flood.
This is how Flood Safe Navigator protects lives during floods.
Our system also uses artificial intelligence.
It also can detect humans and animals in flood areas.
So, no one is left behind. Because every life matters. Without warning, people panic.
But with Flood Safe Navigator,
People move safely. Families stay together. And our lives are protected. Our project supports sustainable development goals. SDG 3. Good health and well-being. SDG 11. Sustainable cities and communities.
SDG 13, Climate Action.
Flood Safe Navigator helps to detect floods early
Guide safe evacuation.
and prevent accidents. Technology can save lives.
This is not just a project.
It is a solution. Flood Safe Navigator guiding you to safety. Thank you.